Hello stampers and crafters, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I am back for Not Too Shabby. I'm going to share with you an unboxing video of the new craft kit that's available at the shop, and you can also purchase the items here separately, but if you would like to save money, it is best to purchase the box because everything is included and you save a lot of money by doing so. The packaging was already damaged because when you live overseas, especially over here, they actually open everything that gets delivered to you so that they can see if they want to charge you custom duties and stuff like that. So unfortunately, they destroyed the packaging. But this is what's included in the craft kit. First, you will find a bunch of the sample for the sequins here and a few more stickers from Not Too Shabby, and this is Jamie's business card. And then you have two die cut stickers. This one has all the coffee images here with different sentiments, and I'll show you that real quick. And then you have all these three to stamp your sentiments. The next one is this die cut stickers pack that has a lot of like the ribbons and the hearts and the bigger ribbon. You get a lot of stickers from this pack, and you also have those small cupcakes. And there's also a bigger ephemera pack. They're not stickers, but they kind of match what's in this one pack right here. This is the ephemera pack that matches the stickers, and they all go together. So this is the ephemera kit, and it has a lot of hearts and little cupcakes and some bows. And this one is so nice, the banner with the heart and some larger cupcakes. And this one with the heart is my favorite. I love them all. The next one is this love die, and this was a free with 60 if you purchase them with this kit, and I'm not sure if this is still available because this was only available until supplies last. But this is a love die cut. They are from Scrapping for Less. Really love that, and I love that it's also red. So you'll see a lot of projects using this March craft kit. And then the next one, you have two paper pads. This one is Frosted and Tufted 6x6 paper pad, 24 double-sided sheets, 2 of each design. So I'm going to show you what's inside. I really love this paper pack because you get this pink with the icing here, so it looks like it's tufted, and there are two designs at the back, and this one has a plain pink, and this one has the sprinkles with the brown, and another plain one at the back, and then the pink one with the pink polka dots, and the white one with the icing that has the brown polka dots at the back. So I really love this, and this one has like glitter, and another pink one with the gray at the back, and this brown one and the pink as well. The next paper pack is called My Sweet Valentine. This is also another 6x6, 24 double-sided sheets and 4 of each design. I think this paper pack is also one of my favorites because I love the soft colors and the images on this paper pack. This one looks like they're glitter, and then the birds there with the hearts. Really love the colors, and they all coordinate together. I love this geometric pink pattern here with the bows at the back that matches with the ephemera kit. Also love this one with the soft blue with the chairs and the hearts, and this one is my favorite. The last ones that are included are these 3 stamp sets from the latest release. The first one that you see here is called happy together. It has a few sentiments here with the images, and then you get to stamp those as wedding rings maybe. So this is also good for anniversary cards and things like that. Has this main image here and a few sentiments, and this might be like a bracelet or a watch or something like that. So you can stamp this as a wedding ring, and you can make it as an engagement ring or something. The next stamp set is called Sprinkled with Love, and it features this huge cupcake here and some chocolate chip cookies and a few sentiments, plus this nice heart-shaped cookie here, perfect for Valentine's Day. It has, I love cookies and cupcakes, but nothing sweeter than you. Sprinkled with love, you bake, be happy. Happy birthday, and to my sweet friend. That's a really cute stamp set, and you will see a lot of projects from me using the stamp set. And then the last one that's included is also really beautiful, and this is called Bouquet of Happiness, and it features a few sentiments like I miss you, that's all, Happy Valentine's Day, you are so loved, when I count my blessings, I count you twice, and then love you bunches. And it has this nice rose image here, a few flowers with a few other flowers in the center of that flower. So there are 3 stamp sets, an ephemera pack, and 2 packs of paper packs that's included in this kit, plus the stickers and this love freebie here until supplies last. So that is the Not2Shabby craft kit. If you are interested to purchase this kit, everything will be listed in the description box below, and you can also purchase the items separately if you don't wish to grab the kit. So if you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. Otherwise, I will see you on my next video where I will show you some projects using the craft kit. Thank you for stopping by, and happy crafting!